Kids, I am back. I am your host, Mars Soriano, your video clip host for our Cycle 5 program. So right now, nandito po tayo ngayon sa side street ng Iloilo Terminal Market. So if you can see, malapit po tayo sa Robinson's Place. Yan, pakifocus na. Okay, at the same time right now, nandito po tayo ngayon sa tricycle area kung saan naglalagay po tayo ng ating tricycle trapal. So ayan na po, naka-installed na. And then right now, mag-install naman po tayo ng ating sticker or yung ating public market periphery. So let's go inside the tricycle. Ayan, so if you could see, we have already put yung ating sticker. Ayan, narito ang sarap ng Pasko. So eto na po yun. Alright, so at this time, I'm so excited na talaga para sa ating Cycle 5 program, yung ating Public Market Christmas Blitz. So once again, this is your video clip host, your PMO, Mars Soriano. See you again soon.